good stance. Keep your hands up tall. Keep your hands up tall. Get a good stance. Make it a little bit better. Every time. Pow. Good. Hands up. Pop, 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 pop. Get in your stance. Get in your stance. Good. That's it, Zach. That looks better. Now we're talking. Don't rush so much, Gage. Make it right. Back, 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 back. Good. Come on. Back, 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 back. Good. One more time through. One more time through. Go get it. Get it right. Don't just run through. Make it right. Make your punches good. Back, 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 back. Good. Come on, Gage. Come get it. Good time.